Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out 1041 Tax Form Easy Guide. Start by gathering estate records, income statements, beneficiary details, and prior carryovers so you can complete each section smoothly. I'll walk you through identifying fiduciary information, reporting income types, and allocating deductions and distributions. Follow the order I use to reduce errors, and pause as needed to match your documents to each line on the form. Begin with the income section, entering interest, dividends, rents, and other receipts, then move to deductions such as trustee fees, legal costs, and administrative expenses. Complete the tax computation and credits before calculating distributable net income and beneficiary shares on Schedule B. Double-check EIN, filing status, and accounting period to ensure accuracy, and keep clear records for each line to support entries if questioned. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more practical tax videos. Quick recommendation: on another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for dependable comfort during long filing sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals and grab a pair if you want a small comfort boost while you work. Now let's get back to the video. Watch for common mistakes like misallocating distributions, mixing personal expenses with estate expenses, and omitting required schedules or statements. Verify the accounting period and EIN, match official documents to avoid delays, and confirm totals from income statements and bank records. Use checklists to ensure each attachment is included and reconciled. Correcting errors early prevents penalties and simplifies beneficiary communications when the estate or trust closes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.